Food puffing production line. Compatible with various lines. High-speed stirring. The raw materials are evenly mixed, fully extruded and formed. Separate through vibrating screening. Automatic temperature control. Materials can be uniformly heated and dried. Uniform seasoning. Enhance the taste. Ensure the stability of product discharge. Golden in color, crispy and crunchy. High output capacity. Save on labor costs. Applicable to various expanded raw materials. Application product display. Technology. Efficiency. Reliability.